In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to downgrade Costco membership. If you currently have a Costco executive membership and you've decided that it no longer provides the value you're looking for, you can easily downgrade to a Gold Star membership or a business membership. The process is straightforward, and Costco offers several ways to complete the request depending on what's most convenient for you. In this video, I'll walk you through each available option so you know exactly what to expect. The quickest and most reliable way to downgrade your membership is by visiting a Costco warehouse. Bring your current membership card along with a valid photo ID before heading to the membership counter. Once you're there, simply let a staff member know that you'd like to downgrade your executive membership to either a Gold Star membership or another eligible membership type. They will update your account and process the change while you're there. If you've paid for an executive membership but didn't receive enough value from the annual 2% reward, Costco's satisfaction guarantee may allow you to receive a refund for the difference between membership levels, depending on your situation. After everything has been processed, you'll receive your updated membership card, and your future renewal fee will reflect the lower membership level. If you're unable to visit a Costco warehouse, you can also contact Costco Member Services by phone. A representative can help you request the downgrade, explain any refund or credit that may apply, and answer any questions about your account. In some cases, you may still need to visit a warehouse later to receive your new membership card, but the representative will let you know if that's necessary. Another option is to contact Costco online through its customer service page. From there, navigate to the Contact Us section, choose the membership category, and submit your request to update or downgrade your membership. After your request is received, a Costco representative will contact you to confirm the change or provide any additional instructions if further action is required. Once your membership has been downgraded, your annual renewal fee will be reduced, but you will no longer receive executive membership rewards. You'll still continue to enjoy the standard Costco membership benefits, including shopping in warehouses, shopping online, and using participating Costco services. Keep in mind that membership downgrades cannot be completed entirely on your own through the website. Assistance from Costco staff is required to finalize the change. If you've already received an executive reward, you can still redeem it before completing your downgrade. Depending on when you make the change, any refund or credit may be prorated or issued according to Costco's membership policy. Costco also backs its memberships with a satisfaction guarantee, giving members flexibility if their current membership no longer meets their needs. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,